Two things my kiddos love are warm, sticky, ooey gooey good cinnamon buns and pancakes. So we have these crazy school mornings, and whenever they ask for them, I am always sure to have on hand a box of complete pancake mix. Now I know it's easy to make my own pancake mix, and I do often. However, on these crazy days, I don't have time to, so I enjoy zhuzhing up a box of pancake batter into cinnamon bun pancakes. They're heavenly, they're delicious, and they're gorgeous. I'm going to show you guys how you can make them on your Blackstone. Before we do, go to that Blackstone Products YouTube channel. You know the deal. Hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That way you guys get a notification every time a new recipe drops for you guys to try at home on your Blackstones. Now, cinnamon swirl pancakes to die for. Let's get to it. So to start, we're going to melt some butter in a small pot directly on the Blackstone. As that's melting, we're going to start our icing. In a bowl, I'm going to mix some powdered sugar with some milk, adding some pure vanilla extract. Now on my sticky buns, I love cream cheese frosting, so I'm adding whipped cream cheese. I just think it gives the icing or the frosting a nice bite and makes it super thick and creamy. To make this icing even more velvety, I'm going to steal a little ladle of that melted butter to complete my frosting, and then I'm going to bag it up. I like to use a little sandwich bag or storage bag using a glass so that I don't make a mess. This way I can make the icing and the cinnamon swirl the night before if I want to, and then in the morning I pull out that icing and the cinnamon swirl in their baggies, and I just stick them into a glass of warm water or a pot of warm water right on the Blackstone. Now back to the melted butter. I'm going to add some cinnamon to it, and then I'm going to add some brown sugar. You could use light brown sugar or dark brown sugar. It doesn't really matter. However, I'm using dark brown. You're just going to mix this until it's the perfect consistency to pour out of a bag. You don't want it too thick, you don't want it too thin. So if you need to, add more butter or add more brown sugar until it's perfect. Put that into its baggie and then slide them aside, and let's start our batter. Like I said, make your own if you want to, or on these crazy school mornings, I just like to use the box complete mix, adding water to the batter until it's the right consistency to my liking. My Blackstone is set to medium-low heat. I'm going to add some butter to melt all around and then ladle on my pancake batter. Now I'm going to take my cinnamon swirl mixture in my baggie, cut the corner off, and then swirl some of that ooey gooey goodness all over each and every pancake. Once my pancakes are golden brown on one side, I'm going to flip them over, and this is where the magic starts. Once we flip them over, that brown sugar mixture is going to start to caramelize. Once that's done, flip them over and just admire how beautiful they look. Plate them up, cut the corner off of your frosting or icing. Plate up your pancakes, cut the corner off of your frosting, and then just let that pour all over your pancakes. These are such a treat for breakfast. However, I enjoy them personally at night for a dessert. I've been known to give my kids these for dinner once in a blue moon because they're just good and they're easy and they're delicious and they're beautiful. So I hope you guys try them. If you do, snap a picture, post it to social media, tag Blackstone Products, tag Blackstone Betty. We can't wait to see you guys making and enjoying these cinnamon swirl pancakes. Be sure to go to that Blackstone Products YouTube channel, click the subscribe, click the bell, visit our Teespring store, visit our store on the blackstoneproducts.com website. And until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in the next video. Go enjoy some pancakes.